Art friends, get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing Amity and Lutz from the Owl House. All right, so we're going to have a head here and a great big head here. And we're going to have body, some arms here, and a body with an arm. All right, so now I kind of have a sense of where my characters are going. All right, so we're gonna start with the figure on the left, and we're gonna do a line coming down, zigzag, like that. And then it's gonna come up, 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 and down. Zigzag, 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 zigzag. And then we have a little C here that's kind of pointy, and a line coming down like that. And then we have a line here, and a little earring or something right here. And then from here, we're coming out and up with a little ear, like so, for the nose. And then the head is just gonna come up like that. And we have a little eyebrow here, like so. And we have a line underneath that that kind of arches down. And then we've got a little, like that, a little eyelash here, and a little line in the front, or eyeball in the front. Woo-hoo-hoo. Okay, then we're gonna draw a little line coming here. She's got a sad face, so sad, with a little dimple. Okay, there is the head. So then we're gonna draw neck, little curvy line underneath. Then it's gonna come down, down. And we have a skinny little arm coming down here, but we're not gonna put the hand on quite yet. All right, then back here off the hair, we're gonna draw a line coming down, around, back up. Oh, we could put this line on it too, the other side of her sleeve. All right, or his sleeve, I'm not sure what's what here, their sleeve. Okay, then we'll draw a line coming down for the arm, and we've got the thumb. It comes down, finger, finger, finger. I think they are clenching their fists, and then knuckle, knuckle, knuckle. There we go. And we've got this line coming back just a little. Long, long shirt. Go. And we've got some legs. I think that's pretty good right there. All right, there's the first figure. So now we're gonna draw the second figure. So the second figure, we're gonna start here. We're gonna draw kind of an S, kind of a flat S. And we're gonna draw a curved line. And we're gonna draw a line coming up with a little zigzag, like so. And then we're gonna draw a line coming back, around. Whoop, add some zigzags back here. There we go. It's colored pretty dark, so it'll work out. And we've got kind of more of a curvy C, a little earring, little ear suggestion. Then right here, and the line coming down, back up, neck, neck, and we have a little grimacy face. These characters do not look very happy. I don't know what the deal is. nose and it comes in, and then it comes straight up and matches up with this. Okay, so then we've got eyebrow, eye line, eye and eyeball. Go. All right, then this one has a like hoodie on, like so. Comes down, around, back up. Okay, so this is their elbow, arm, like that, and then we've got a little shirt coming out back. Up. Okay. And then there's a line here, so this is white, blue. And then we've got a line coming down, back up, like that. There. All right. Ay, 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 ay. All right, let's fix this up. It has to come straight down because this is where they're holding hands. Like that. Should have started down here. It's all right. Through the beauty of fixing it up, I will change it. And then we got 1, 2, 3, 4. It's holding hand, like so. Get rid of this and that. All right. Thanks for your forgiveness. Okay. And it comes down, back around, up, back, in front of. It looks like they got these rolled up. A little cuff. And we've got some legs. Right. And they got just a bunch of stuff in the background here. Okay, and there we go. Amity and Lutz from the Owl House. Thanks for watching.